5th Street East, Treasure Island. Are you all the way in the back?
We were at 5th Street East in Treasure Island. This is a post jet. And we're at the end of the run here. That's where the vent stack is on the back of the house. The lines are going to be cast iron. Date and time stamps on the top left, and the counter is going to be on the bottom left. Before the jet job, there's actually a lot of cast iron debris or flakes. It's coming through a 90. We're coming back towards the clean out that's in front of the house. There's going to be 2 spots of areas where looks like something that's like concrete or maybe grout that is hardened that we cannot get out. It's going to be one small area. The reason why there's water in the line right now is just because we just got done running water just to make sure everything's flowing good. Now this is going to be the big main spot. As you can see here, it kind of looks like it's either grout or concrete. It's going to be a combo. We actually hit that line too. Everything looks good there as well. Everything's flowing out pretty well. And we're coming back to the clean out. Thanks for watching.